Let's think about ego and non-ego, or let's think about the brain and heart, especially the heart related to Prince Shotoku and Buddhism. It's pointing harmony as the core of our governance of nation. If you pursue the brain ability to the nth degree, maybe we'll come up with technology and philosophy and all of that. But the root is in our heart. And if we lose that and get tangled up in logic and word and mechanical way, artificial way, then we may lose who we are as human. So let's know thyself and know